Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce resource waste with VMware, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current resource utilization within VMware. Use the vSphere client to monitor your environment. Check the resource allocation of each virtual machine. Identify any VMs that are over-provisioned or underutilized. Consider right-sizing those VMs to match their actual usage patterns. Next, implement resource pools. Resource pools help you allocate CPU and memory resources more effectively. Create pools based on workload needs and priorities. Now, enable Distributed Resource Scheduler, or DRS. DRS automatically balances workloads across your cluster. It optimizes resource usage and enhances performance. After that, look into using VMware Storage DRS. Storage DRS helps manage storage resources intelligently. It balances workloads across data stores, preventing bottlenecks. Next, consider implementing thin provisioning for your storage. This allows you to allocate storage on an as-needed basis. It reduces unnecessary disk usage and increases efficiency. These features allow you to maximize power efficiency. Set up settings to control CPU and memory resource allocation during low usage times. Consider automating resource management through VMware Tools. VMware Tools provides a suite of utilities to enhance performance. Automating regular tasks reduces the need for continuous manual intervention. Lastly, regularly review and analyze your resource usage. Conduct periodic audits to ensure resources are utilized effectively. Adjust your configurations as needed based on these reviews. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce resource waste with VMware. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.